Hi everyone and welcome to MathSux. This video is going to help you pass the Algebra Common Core Regents. So in this video we're going to go one question at a time. Here is question 27. A news report suggested that an adult should drink a minimum of 4 pints of water per day. Based on this report, determine the minimum amount of water an adult should drink in fluid ounces per week. Basically all they want us to do is convert 4 pints of water per day, per 1 day, and they want us to convert into fluid ounces per week. So how many ounces per week? So that's what we need to find out. So we don't know these two values. So we're going to need to know some background on how many days are in a week and how many pints are in an ounce. So right away we know that there are 7 days in a week, right? 7 days in 1 week. So if we know that, then we can say, oh well, if we need 4 pints per day, that means we're going to need 4 pints for 7 days. So we know, because we have for 1 day, so we need for 7 days for 1 week. So 4 times 7 is 28 pints per 7 days, or 1 week, right? So now we have this new thing. So we have 28 pints per 1 week. So we still need to convert. So we got our week part. So this is 1 week. We got the week, but now we also need the ounces. So to convert pints into ounces, we need to know how many ounces are in a pint. So there are 16 ounces in 1 pint. So 16 ounces in 1 pint. So that's just something you need to know, or I'm not sure if that's on the reference table. Okay, so that may or may not be on the reference table. But for us to find out how many ounces per week, we need to multiply 28 pints times 16 ounces. So we have 28 pints per 1 week. And when we do that, just plug that into your calculator and we get 448 ounces per week, per 1 week. And that's our answer. For our next question, question 28, we are given this little expression here. Express 3x minus 4 times x plus 7 minus 1/4 x squared as a trinomial expressed in standard form. So standard form is just looks something like this: ax squared plus bx plus c. So notice that the exponent value is going down in order, and then we have variables and we have our standalone number at the end. So the first thing we want to do is let's copy this. Let's write this down here: 3x minus 4 times x plus 7 minus 1/4 x squared. So we're going to want to focus on distributing these two right here. We're going to want to focus right here and distributing each term to each term. So we can do that by distribution, the FOIL method, or even the box method. So I'll just do it here quickly with the box method. I know a lot of people like that one. So we're going to have each term. So we're going to make a box, and then each term will be one side of the box. So here we'll have 3x, here minus 4. Then over here on this side we'll have x and then 7. And then wherever they come together we're going to multiply them. So this will be 3x squared. This will be minus 4x. This will be 21x. And then this will be a standalone number, minus 28. So now let's just put this back into an equation. This is our solution right here. So we have 3x squared plus 21x minus 4x minus 28. Notice we can combine like terms here. So we get 3x squared plus 17x minus 28. And then don't forget we haven't used this guy yet, so we want to bring him down too. Minus 1/4 x squared. So now we can combine like terms again. We have these two x squareds right here. So when we do that, we get 2.75x squared, and then these you can't combine, so we're just going to bring them down as they are, plus 17x minus 28, and that's our answer. Notice that it's in standard form because we have our unknown variable x, and we have on this end, and then our whole number on all the way on the right, and also our exponent, it goes in descending order. We have x to the second power and then x to the first power. Here is question 29. John was given the equation 4 times 2a plus 3 equals negative 3a minus 1 plus 31 minus 11a to solve. Some of the steps and their reasons have already been completed. State a property of numbers for each missing reason. So instead of solving this, we actually just want to fill these two blank lines in. So it starts with given, so this is just what we're given, and then we need to know what step he did here. So if you look at the difference between the two, notice that he distributed over here. So this was 4 times 2a plus 3, and now it's 8a plus 12, because he distributed that 4 to each term, multiplying 4 times 2a to get 8a, and then 4 times 3 to get 12. And then the same thing over here. He did negative 3 times a minus 1, multiplying negative 3 times a to get negative 3a, and then negative 3 times negative 1, which is plus 3. So we know that this is the distribution property. So they give us the next step, combining like terms, and the step after that. So it looks like we're solving for a here, step by step. And if you notice what he did here, he moves this 14a to the other side. So he added 14a to both sides, and that is called the addition property. So the addition property tells us that whenever something is added to one side of the equation, we add it to the other side. So that is the answer there.
Need more practice? Check out MathSux.org for more questions. Link below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Happy calculating!